Ready? Start. Honorable members, I welcome you all and summon you to another year of hard work in the service of the nation. Stop. We begin the year on a confident note, having responded with determination to the unforeseen and stupendous challenges of the last 4 years. Stop. In the face of continuing rise in prices, the foremost concern of government in 2004 was to impart a measure of stability to the economy. Stop. Government adopted a comprehensive strategy to control inflation, and this was put into operation from July, 2004. Stop. Besides increased mobilization of resources and economies in non-plan expenditure, money supply was restricted through an appropriate monetary policy. Stop. A vigorous drive was launched against economic offences like smuggling, hoarding and tax evasion, and against spurious units indulging in malpractices in scarce materials. Stop. Consumer expenditure was restrained by limiting dividend incomes and impounding increases in wages and salaries, and a part of additional dearness allowance. Stop. Public distribution was strengthened and arrangements were made for adequate import of food grains and essential raw materials and commodities. Stop. The annual plan for 2004-5 was reviewed and outlays on the core sectors were raised. Stop. To boost production, stop. Vigorous action was also taken to improve utilization capacity in power plants, rail transport, coal production, steel plants and other public sector industries. Stop. This concerted action began to yield results towards the end of September, 2004. Stop. Despite an unsatisfactory kharif crop caused by poor rainfall in many states, prices began to fall and there has been a weakening of the inflationary forces. Stop. The availability of essential goods has generally improved. Stop. The general outlook for the Rabi crop is good. Stop. Production in public enterprises has shown a significant rise in the first 9 months of this financial year. Stop. 14% more electricity is being produced by thermal plants and improvement of 34% in the production of power by DVC plants merits special mention. Stop. Since shortage of power still persists in a number of states, high priority is being given to the completion of power projects. Stop. About 2 million kilowatt of power capacity is being added in 2004-5 and another 3 million in the coming year. Stop. 10 million tons more coal will be produced this year. Stop. The production is going up. Stop. Public sector engineering industries are doing remarkably well. Stop. More railway wagons are being moved daily. Stop. Para. I congratulate workers, farmers and other sections of the people for the determination, courage and identity with national purpose shown by them in supporting the government's program of economic stabilization. Stop. Para. Government is aware that there is no room for complacency as there are still seizable imbalances between supply and demand in several important sectors of the economy. Stop. The international economic situation is also full of uncertainties. Stop. The monetary and physical measures, and the action against economic offences will be continued with vigor.